Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk. Today let us know how to draw ellipses. Ellipses are continuous curves and at no time do they become straight edged or create angles. Every aspiring artist has to learn drawing ellipses and also know the basic mistakes that most people do while drawing them. Now I will show you the incorrect versions of ellipses. See in the first picture, this ellipse made straight edges and in the second one it makes angles. So these are the two incorrect versions of drawing ellipses. Friends, there is no techniques to draw them perfectly. The only way is you have to practice until you become proficient. For this you have to practice every day. Every day before starting your drawing, take a rough paper or old newspaper, practice them as much as possible, at least 5 to 10 minutes in different sizes. Friends, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Paint and Talk. Enjoy the process. Happy drawing. Bye bye.